Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by updating Ledger Live on your computer or phone and the Nano X firmware to the latest release. This prevents transaction incompatibility. Open Ledger Live, enable the manager, and connect your Nano X with the cable or Bluetooth. Approve the connection on the device. Install the specific coin app you plan to buy, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, and confirm the Nano X screen displays the app name before proceeding with any purchase or address verification. In Ledger Live, use the Buy Crypto tab to select a supported third-party provider and the exact coin and amount you want. Providers commonly charge between 0, 5% and 3, 5% depending on payment method. Select your payment method, enter the fiat amount, then connect your Nano X and open the corresponding coin app so Ledger Live can generate a receive address. Always verify the full address on the Nano X screen before confirming the purchase. Then authorize the on-device confirmation to broadcast the transaction and expect 1 to 3 network confirmations. After the provider broadcasts the transaction, open Ledger Live accounts to confirm the incoming balance and view the transaction details. Copy the transaction ID and optionally check it on a block explorer to confirm status. Maintain security by never entering your 24-word recovery phrase into any software or website, and keep Ledger Live and your Nano X firmware updated to the latest versions. For extra caution, send a small test amount first. Confirm successful receipt, then transfer larger sums and record the transaction ID for your records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.